Buddy, it's Mr. Marshall, and I'm not at Stony Lane. I'm actually here at home. And a couple of weeks ago, I brought you a wonder video about plants. And I'm standing here in front of the same rhododendron bush, and it doesn't look like it's changed very much. It's been about 2 weeks, and the leaves on this still look, or the flowers on it still look like they haven't changed much. They're still kind of closed up. So, but you see, there's lots of little lines. You can tell where it's going to open up, right? And I'm a little bit disappointed that they haven't opened up because I really want them to. They're going to look really cool. Um, but there's one other thing that I want to show you. So let's take a look. This looks different though. The forsythia bush that is here also by my house. Remember I showed you last time? These yellow flowers were really still kind of closed, and these have opened up. In fact, I have a bunch of them all along my driveway. Look at all those forsythia bushes, and they're all open, right? It's a different type of plant, and you can tell that these have been working on opening for a very long time. In fact, on this one, there's a green one here that's still not open. So it kind of makes me wonder, why do these plants and flowers kind of grow up at different paces, right? Some of them grow up really fast, and some of them grow up really slow, don't they? So there's one over here that I want you to see, because this one actually has a lot of green and yellow on it. Okay, hang on. It's actually over here. So this one has a lot of yellow on it, but there's a lot of green buds on some of the branches on this bush. Isn't that cool? So the rhododendron hasn't opened at all. These guys have opened up really fast, and some of the leaves on there still haven't opened up. So it kind of makes me wonder, why does that happen? Why do certain things grow really quickly and certain things grow really slowly? Why is it that on the same bush, the same exact thing can happen, where there's pieces of it that grow really fast and pieces of it that grow really small? And it kind of reminds me of, I guess, us, people. People kind of grow up at different rates. Like somebody in your class might be taller than you, or you might be taller than someone in your class. Maybe you get something more quickly than someone else does, right? There's all sorts of things that make us all different in the way that we grow, right? So, but this is something that maybe you can wonder about. You can think more about this too by, this might be something that you read about when you're learning about plants or nature, but it might just be something that you also just talk to people about, because there's all sorts of fun things about this. Because we're all good at different things, aren't we? We're all good at doing things, and it's not that some of us will never get good at those, but maybe it just takes a little longer. Maybe you have to practice a different way. Maybe if you work really hard on something, you'll get there. Okay, maybe you'll get there in a different way than your friends, but you'll get there, and then you'll start blooming too. Okay, so that's part 2 of this wonder video. Maybe there'll be a part 3 when the rhododendron opens up. I can't wait to see you there. See you next time.